In today's video, I will walk you through how to use voice typing in Word and Google Docs. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Voice typing lets you speak and have your words converted into text inside Google Docs, making it faster than typing manually. To get started, open Google Docs through the official website and either open an existing document or create a new blank one. Once you are inside the editor, go to the top menu bar and click on Tools. From the drop-down menu, select Voice Typing. A microphone icon will appear on the left side of your document, which controls the voice typing feature. Before you begin, check the language setting next to the microphone icon and choose the correct language to improve accuracy. When you are ready, click the microphone icon that says Click to Speak. If your browser asks for microphone permission, allow access so the feature can work properly. Then start speaking clearly, and your words will appear on the document in real time. If you need to pause, click the microphone icon again. Click it once more when you want to continue speaking. Voice typing is helpful for writing notes, documents, and ideas faster without needing to type everything by hand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.